Kids, stories, and more is here, so let's all gather near. Art and cooking, movement too, reading, science, all for you. Jump and shout and cheer, hooray! Kids, stories, and more is here today.
Are we live? Okay, great. It's Mimi here. I missed you so much, so I had to come back. I'm reporting to you from the North Pole. Okay, I was just kidding. It's not the North Pole. It's actually my bedroom. But we are going to do a fun, super-duper science experiment. Now, you're going to need an adult for the science experiment. Safety is so important, and this one definitely needs some supervision. Now, if you live in a cold climate where in wintertime it gets to the 20s or the teens or even below, then you could do this at home. If you're in a milder climate, well, then you can watch and just enjoy. What we're going to do today is, I wanted to go outside and play in the snow, but unfortunately we don't have any more. It melted away when the rain came. But we can make our own snow. You heard me right, we can make our own snow. And that's exactly what we're gonna do. My buddy Mike is downstairs boiling water right now, and then we're gonna take it outside and we're gonna throw it up into the air. And voila, snow crystals will appear. The mixture of the boiling hot water and the very cold frigid temperatures will turn it to snow. Now, when you do it, an adult has to do it for you, and you need to stay at a safe distance. And you also need to make sure that you are throwing the water out in front of you instead of straight up overhead, because you know that old saying, what goes up must come down, and we don't want it coming down on your head. And you need to make sure that it's clear in front of you so nobody gets hurt. Come on, and you'll get to see a fantastic science experiment.
Ready? All right, let's see it go. Very cool. Let's see it again. Notice he did not throw it straight up in the air. He threw it out. Maybe I'll go down here to see if I can, because you don't want the hot water dropping down on you. One more time. So he's taking boiling water. Make sure you have an adult do this for you. And throwing it up in the air, and it creates snow. Isn't that cool? So when you can't get snow on a day that's cold and you want to go out, if you have a day that's in the 20s or colder, you can try this trick. Very cool.
Nice says, do something nice.
Mimi's message, put a smile on someone's face today.
Friend shake.
Ooh, boom, boom. Air high five, spin, shake. See you soon.